to see color.
You could have to net that yourself.
Whoa, 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 mama! Oh, I love ultralight, but somehow, right now, I wish it was a little heavier. Ooh, come on, you man! He's gun shy. Don't like the looks of that net.
Nice. Very nice.
Coconut. Oh, fat one too, boy.
Oh, nice. Nice fish. Let's see it, Ed.
Oh. Nice one, nice one.
Very good.